Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use contactless pay with your phone using the Google Wallet. But first of all, just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open the Google Wallet and then there is a short tutorial how to use the contactless pay. You just have to scroll down here and pay quickly and securely. You just have to tap on learn how to pay contactless, and here are these few steps that you should follow to start paying with your phone. So pay contactless wherever you see the symbols and unlock your phone and hold it to the reader. And when you see your payment has been successful, when you see the tick mark, and to start paying contactless, you just have to add a card to your Google Wallet, which you can do by tapping on add a card, and you can add any card from your wallet. You just have to add the card details and you can start paying contactless using the Google Pay. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.